Hey, what's up guys? Got a little DIY project today. If you have one of these machines and you've been on any of the Facebook groups, you know about the Husky box install. Doing that instead of the Can-Am lid that goes on there. Figured I'd save myself like $400 for probably pretty close to the same amount of storage. I don't know, I've never seen one of those lids in person. But I got a little different take on it. Instead of going and getting, carriage bolts and grinding off the edges like a lot of people do, I thought, why don't I just go and get, oh my goodness, a toilet flange bolt. It's already done. I'm all for working smarter, not harder. So anyways, it is what size is that? 5/16 by 2 1/4 inch toilet flange bolt. So that's what I'm using instead. So it's not really a whole lot to show how to do it. Basically just slide them in here, there. We'll throw the box on top, smack it with the hammer, mark the places, drill some holes, screw it down, and that'll be it. Alright, I got the holes marked. I don't know how well you can see it, but there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'll just drill it. I'm going to use a 5/16 inch bit. Hopefully it gives me enough wiggle room. Alright, fit like a glove. Now, take some, hold on, I got a washer or two here first. A couple of washers, a couple of wing nuts. Anyways, you get the idea, right? As soon as I get these all screwed down, I'll come back with the Dremel and cut the bolts off flush. As flush as I can. Alright, installed. Haven't cut the bolts off yet. The biggest downfall I can see right now of this over the Can-Am lid is accessing the coolant tank to look and see how you're doing on coolant. But other than that, I think it's a great option. It's pretty solid, pretty wind resistant, dust resistant, and like water resistant. So it's got a little bit of a gasket seal around there. I don't know if you can see that. Anyways, next thing to do is the roof. Gotta get that installed. Alright, here's the roof. I've gone ahead and installed these neoprene strips right here. There's one right here. There's one right there. They come basically pre-cut. The two side ones you have to trim to length a little bit. Now, one thing I didn't know when I bought this roof is you're gonna need a nutsert tool. They don't tell you. Well, I don't know. I didn't do any research, so I just bought the roof. But you got to install 2 nutserts right here to hold in a plate that mounts to the roof. So I bought this one on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description for that. It's like $50. I'll use it in other places, I'm sure. But be aware, you need that, or someone that has one, you need to be able to borrow theirs. Alright, I got the 2 nutserts in, and then this is bolted in now. A couple of those torque screws there, some M6 torque screws, bolts, whatever you want to call them. Now it's time to put the roof on. Alright, got the roof on. Windshield on, I did that yesterday. And the box in. So, ready to ride. All in all, not hard at all. Pretty simple stuff. If you don't know, they don't send any instructions in the parts, so you got to go to Can-Am installation, something like that, and print off directions if you want them online. Anyways, here we go. What's that?
That's enough.
Okay. Feel a little tippy?
Yes. Very
Just the clutches.